Good morning, students. Today we will start integrated rate equation. What is integrated rate equation? The equation which is related to concentration with the rate, means concentration dependence of rate is called differential rate equation. The first one is for zero order reaction. In your syllabus we have integrated rate equation for zero order and first order. So first we will do zero order reaction. What is zero order reaction? Zero order reaction is the reaction in which rate is directly proportional to zero power of the concentration of reactant. Like consider R to P. So rate will be K R to the power 0 because it is zero order reaction. Differential case minus dr upon dt. So minus dr upon dt is equal to K because something raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. Minus dr is equal to minus K into dt. Now integrating both sides. After integrating dr we get r, and after integrating k into dt we get kt plus I. I is known as constant of integration because this integration is without limits. At t equal to 0, r is equal to r naught, means when the reaction was not started, at t equal to 0, r is equal to initial concentration of reactant. So putting the value of 2 in 1, we get r is equal to minus kt plus r naught. So r naught minus r is equal to kt. Here k is equal to r naught minus r upon t. This is integrated rate equation for zero order reaction. If we plot a graph between r and time, correlate this equation with y is equal to mx plus c. So y is equal to r and x is equal to t. So slope will be minus k and r no is the intercept. This is slope intercept. Y is equal to mx plus c. So this will be the graph. Now examples of zero order reaction. Number 1 is decomposition of gaseous ammonia on a hot platinum surface. Ammonia in the presence of catalyst platinum will be zero order reaction. Why this is zero order means rate is directly proportional to the K, only K, does not depend on the concentration of ammonia. In this reaction, platinum metal acts as a catalyst. At high pressure, the metal surface gets saturated with gas molecules. So, further change in reaction condition is unable to alter the amount of ammonia on the surface of catalyst. So, rate will not be depending on the concentration of ammonia in the presence of platinum at high pressure. So, this will be zero order reaction. Next, thermal decomposition of HIO on gold surface is also example of zero order reaction. Now the integrated rate equation for zero order first order reaction. First order means rate is directly proportional to the concentration power 1. So R is to the power 1. Rate is equal to minus dr upon dt k r to the power 1. By following the same steps, dr upon r is equal to minus k into dt. Integrating dr upon r is equal to minus k dt. You know 1 upon r integration is ln r and 1 into dt integration is kt plus I is known as integration constant. So at t equal to 0, when the reaction was not started, r is equal to r naught. Putting the value of I is equal to r naught. So we get put 2 in 1, ln r is equal to minus kt plus ln r naught. Ln r naught minus ln r is equal to kt. Kt is equal to, if the sign is minus, so we get ln r naught upon r. This is the rule for log. By changing natural log to log, 2.303 log r naught upon r. So we get k is equal to 2.303 upon d log r naught upon r. This equation is very important for in the case of numericals. Next example of first order reaction, hydrogenation of ethene, means rate will be only depending on the ethene K C2H4 to the power 1. Decomposition of N2O5, rate will depend only on the concentration of N2O5 to the power 1. Now first order reaction in gas phase. This derivation comes in the form of numerical. A gives B plus C. Let us consider the initial pressure of A is Pi and total pressure of gas at time T is T. So total pressure is equal to Pt is equal to Pa plus Pb plus Pc. At time T, X atmosphere is decreasing pressure A. If X atmosphere is decreasing pressure A, that time increase in pressure will be X atm each. So here at T equal to 0, initial pressure of A is Pi, here 0 and 0 because reaction was not started. At time T is equal to Pi minus X is decrease in the pressure of A and X is increase in B and X is increase in C. So total pressure is equal to Pi minus X plus X plus X. We get Pt is equal to Pi plus X is equal to Pt minus Pi. You know Pa is equal to Pi minus X. Pa is equal to Pi minus X. Putting the value of X here, we get Pa is equal to 2P minus Pt. So K is equal to 2.303 upon T log Pi upon Pa. So putting the value of Pa from the previous equation 2Pi minus Pt, we get integrated rate equation for first order reaction in the case of gas phase. Now the important topic, half-life of a reaction. Half-life first is denoted by T half. What is half-life? Half-life is the time at which half of the reactant has been reacted. Time in which the concentration of reactant is reduced to one half of its original initial concentration. So first we will calculate half-life period for zero order reaction. You know, for zero order reaction, K is equal to R naught minus R upon T. Earlier we have derived this. T is equal to Tf, R is equal to R naught by 2. At T is equal to T half of the reactant has been reacted. So putting the value of R is equal to R naught by 2 and T is equal to T by 2, we get T half is equal to R naught by 2K. This equation is half-life period for zero order reaction. Now next, half-life period for first order reaction. We have integrated rate equation for first order reaction is R naught upon R. So at T equal to T half, R is equal to R naught by 2. Putting the value of R is equal to R naught by 2 in this equation number 1. T half is equal to 2.303 log R naught by R naught into 2. You know log 2 is 0.3010. So after calculating this, T half is equal to 0.693 upon K. By clearly observing this equation, you can see that half-life period for first order reaction is independent of initial concentration of reacting species. Means half-life period does not depend on the initial concentration of reactant. In the next lecture, we will discuss about the numerical related to integrated rate equations. So try to do this equation yourself also in the notebook.